So decided to play around with some LED lighting. I've heard that you need like three things, but you actually need more than that. So what are the things we need? So you need a power supply. Well, not necessarily that powerful, but you need a controller, a little computer thing. I decided on this one because it has fuses and seems much better, safer. And you need LED lights. But this doesn't come with a cord. How do I connect all this stuff? So we're going to go over all that and see what you actually need. I did a bunch of internet or YouTube research on LEDs and whatnot. Found Chris Mayer's channel, True Build Stuff, and the hookup. They were all pretty helpful, but then found one that helped the most. It's called Intermittent Technologies or Intermit Tech. And his website's Quinled.info. There's a specific video where he goes over all these scenarios and how to hook this stuff up and write wire gauge and all that. Very helpful. So I'll link to that if I can find it again. But let's go over and see what we actually need here. So, like I said, this doesn't come with a power cord, so need to find power cord. Then you need something to go from the power supply to the computer / lighting. So my determination was 12 gauge for that. Some of the stuff's not a need, but these little clips are just going to make hooking this up a lot cleaner. And then if you buy these, you need to buy a crimping tool. Cool. And several other sites I mentioned these Wago connectors to help connect all this stuff together. And we need more wire from the computer to the actual light. And I did 16 gauge for that because they'll run across the room based on the calculations. That's what I needed. And then the other option, I need like data cables and stuff. So I found these guys, 3 different types. It was all like a few dollars for the whole bundle. Then there's these connectors which match the lighting to possibly connect that. I'm going to be connecting together multiple strips of light. So I found these guys because I don't really want to solder this stuff. We'll get to that in a bit. And then a channel that the lighting goes in, and a diffuser that slides in front of here. Not a need, but I think it's going to look nicer with this. So, and I think that's all the stuff I bought for the past month. Some of the stuff was hard to find. So AliExpress, I ordered some stuff from that, and turns out I ordered on the first day of Chinese New Year, so stuff took a long time to get here. Hopefully, if you order stuff, it won't take as long, but basically it took a month to get all this stuff. So let's go over the LED. I picked BTF 24 volt, 720 lights, addressable, 5 meters, 16.1 feet. Comes on a roll. And comes with some sort of clippies. And these little connectors, which are in this pack. There's just a strip of wire. And then one of these things. I didn't know the lights came with them, so this is probably a duplicate. But whatever. We'll figure it all out. So the strips will go into the channel. And we'll figure that all out. So it comes with the connector. So it's like this. Plugs into there, and then it screws into there. Blah, blah, blah. So I think we're going to start at this end and work our way across. connect them to there. Oh, 12 gauge. Strip off some wire. So this power supply is not the one that I was originally trying to get. The original one had 3 terminals on each side instead of only 2. So that might be why this is not working out the way I wanted it to. Just twist these nice and tight. Come on. All right. Strip back a little bit more to make this a little easier to tie on. It's ground ACN to neutral ACL, which is load. Let me put this little cover back on. It's not easy to get on there. Okay. Alright, then we need our 12 gauge. I don't know what distance I'm going to need yet, so I'm just going to leave it long until we figure that out. And we're going to use these guys. Okay, get in there, get the wire near the end, crimp it all the way down. Okay. Plus. And a neutral. Take this guy back apart. Okay. Take this cover off. Alright, so red is the plus. Cover that up. Alright, so then we gotta screw this little thing in here for testing. Red to red. Green to data. Okay. Plug that into that. And I guess we plug this into the wall and hope it doesn't blow up. Let's check DC. So, 24 volts. 24 volts. 20 volts. Okay, so it looks like it's getting the power, so it's probably a software setting. Okay, so you gotta put that thing back on. That might be part of the problem. There we go. I got a blue and an orange light on there. Still no LED, so now we gotta check the software. Okay, so we gotta connect it to the correct end, put that on, everything wired. So unplug it and see what happens. Yay, we got light. Tell that it's green looks white in video, and it's not the whole roll. So by default, it's set to 120 LEDs. Okay. Not a whole roll. There's 120 segments. Be sure that's right. Back. Colors don't seem to be. There we go. To change color at a time. Green. So green is red. So back in config, there's an order. Color order set to GRB. Let's try RGB. Save. There we go. Back. So green is green. Red is red. Blue is blue. Yeah, colors match up. Alright, so then I just need to double check my 120 number. And we should be good to start playing some more. Can't really tell. Colors. Green. Can't really tell anything here. But it looks pretty good without the diffuser. With the diffuser, it definitely looks better. So can't really see the individual sections.